Alright, so I have the SD card updated with the speedcams. Alright, I don't need DVD. And now I'm going to enable the audible warnings for the points of interest. And this should be the final step in having the RNS-192 ready. So setup, map content. And I've separated the speedcams in multiple categories. So down. Alright, here it is. And I press once to enable, and I press second time to enable the bell. So the bell should be the audible warning. Alright, I'm going to enable all of them. And that's it. It should warn us once I'm in the range of the point of interest. Okay, fix. Alright, everything is enabled. Return. Let me make sure it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. And that's it.
Calcular o itinerário.
And here it is. I can see all the speed cams or all the possible locations in the map. Final version of the maps